So that was a MiG-21 crash. After that, many talks happened, but IAF has now decided to phase out this MiG-21 Bison by 2025. But what is the IAF's alternative to phase out this MiG-21 with? So let's see. This is LCA Tejas Mark 1A. This is indigenously developed. Number 2, it is the most lethal aircraft in the lightweight category. And the HAL and IF both have decided to produce 83 LCA Tejas Mark 1A, and the first delivery will be phased out by 2024. So moving to the second aircraft. So this is LCA Tejas Mark 2. It is upgraded version of Mark 1A and it has more lethal and stealth capabilities than Mark 1A. And the first flight is planned for 2024. So this is the most awaited plane, that is AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, and it is going to be developed by HAL, DRDO and many other organizations together, and this will be the 5th generation fighter aircraft which India is going to have, and the first flight will be by 2025 and the induction is planned for 2030. So this is the most awaited aircraft which the India is waiting for. Last one is MMRCA 2.0 deal, according to which India is going to buy 114 aircraft, but this deal is still on the tables and IF is expecting to buy the best deal and the best aircraft for India. This is all for this video, and Jai Hind.